understand me now. Sometimes I feel a little mad, but don't you know that no one alive.
So this is what they give us. X goes to 1 on this one, not 0. X times ln x minus 1 plus 1 all over x minus 1 times ln x, right? Oh, this is going to be a long one. Okay, so first of all, we have to plug in the number and see what it turns out to be. So we're going to get 1 times ln of 1 minus 1, parenthesis, plus 1. Okay, and then we get 1 minus 1 times ln 1. So this is clearly on the top, that's going to be 1 times 0 minus 1, which is a negative 1, right? So this is all negative 1 plus 1, 0 over 0. Okay, so yes, we do have to apply L'Hopital's. And then the next thing, so we're going to take the derivative of the top. And it might look like a lot, except for we know this one is going to turn out to be 0 when it's differentiated, because that's a constant. Also, this negative one, that's not going to matter either. So, but for these two, we do have to use product rule. So we're going to do derivative of the first is 1 times the second stays the same. So you keep everything in parentheses the same, plus, and now the first stays the same, and we take the derivative of the second. So everything in parentheses, we're going to take the first derivative. So a derivative of ln x is 1 over x, and then derivative of negative 1 is 0, like I said before. So that's the top. And then the bottom, we're going to do another product rule. So we keep, we're going to take ddx of x minus 1, so that's just going to be 1, right? The coefficient of x is 1 here. And then keep the second the same, so ln x, plus, now we keep the first the same, and derivative of ln x is 1 over x. Okay? So, let's see. We can plug in here, I suppose. Or let's simplify first, actually. So I'm going to simplify just so it looks nicer. So this is going to be our ln x. Okay, so ln x minus 1 plus, and then x's cancel, so that's a 1. So this part is 0. So ln x over ln x, and you can distribute the 1 over x. So this is like plus 1 minus 1 over x. Okay. Alright. So now we can plug in our 1 and see what happens. So when we have ln 1 on top over ln 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 1. Okay. So ln 1 is 0 over 0 plus 1 minus 1 equals 0 over 0. Okay. Alright, so we're going to do L'Hopital's once again, because this is still an indeterminate form, right? So going from this step here, we're going to do the derivative of it, of top and bottom. So derivative of the top is going to be, let's not get confused with that. Okay, 1 over x on the top over, and then we're going to have a 1 over x down here. The derivative of a plus 1 is just 0. And then derivative of the minus 1 over x is going to be a plus 1 over x squared. Okay? And now we can try plugging in 1 again and hope that it works. So on the top we have 1 over 1, which is good. Good sign. 1 over 1 here on the bottom, plus 1 over 1 squared, which comes out to be 1 over 1 plus 1 equals 1 over 2. Alright? And that is clearly a determinate form, so we are good to go. Alright. So, whoa, I messed it up at the end. Hold on. Let me draw a good line. Okay, that's better. Okay, so that wraps it up for homework assignment number 2. I hope that helps, and good luck with that.
Let me be misunderstood.